Today we're going on another tour here in La Palma. Iba pala yung Las Palmas is different from La Palma. La Palma is Isla Bonita.
Morning.
Thank you, na.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
How are you? You good?
And this is our
Hello.
housekeepers.
Hello.
Famous
Hello.
housekeepers are here.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, hello.
I will be your tour guide here, and on my left side, the other half part of today's excursion, this is Canary. He also knows very good the roads of the island, and some coach driver like him, it's very good needed to today's excursion, and you will see why I'm talking during the excursion. And he also wants to say good morning to everybody. Good morning.
Good morning.
And it's your first time on the island, or you already know a bit of La Palma?
First time.
Okay, then we will start from zero. It's good to know. So, everybody will know that we are on the island of La Palma, but take in mind, La Palma, it's one of the 8 Canary Islands. Since 2017, we were only 7, but a small island over Lanzarote with a small population that's called Graciosa became in our 8th Canary Island. We are split in 2 provinces. Each province has got 4 islands, 1 main island and 3 small ones. There is the Eastern Province, and this is very confusing because the Eastern Province name is Las Palmas. But Las Palmas, it's not an island, it's the name of the Eastern Province and also the capital name of Gran Canaria. But on the Eastern Province, the main island, it's Gran Canaria, and also belong Lanzarote, Fuerteventura, and this very small Graciosa island. But we belong to the province of Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Main island, it's Tenerife, Gomera, Hierro, and we La Palma. Conception, it's another name of a lady, because when we will drive to this beautiful viewpoint, you will see on the left side the chapel of the Lady of the Conception. This other chapel, it's from the also from the middle of the 17th century, but it will be closed because it's a different priest. Take on mind, here a lot of local priests are a bit lazy, that only open the chapels 1 hour before service. They think that we are still on COVID times. That changed it at this moment, and it's still working than these bad times. So this mountain where we will drive up with this huge coach, it's an old extinct volcano from approximately 1.2 million years ago, and it's the south protection from our capital. To the left side we have one of the best views ever to the city, and on the right side a very good view to the south and east side of the island. For those people that has very good eyes, you could also find our new airport, the international airport of La Palma. Some persons, some guest has asked me about why it's called the Lady of the Snow. It has a very funny story, because now we are agriculture locals, but on the past it was the same. Take on mind, in the 16th and 17th century, the most important things for the locals was the rain, the water of the rain. And in 1631 we had a very dry year without any drop of rain. In other islands they take out saints into procession to pray for rain, and in some islands worked. International airport runway and left side the city. And here we will spend 10 minutes time, I think. Thank you and enjoy.
And we're going to show the, I say 180 view of the island. Just waiting for the bus to park. Naulan? It's just foggy, but it's still pretty though. The beach area ni Manila. Medyo na ito, Isla Bonita.
Wala na, Isla Bonita daw yan.
Sorry.
Dapat picture mo ako dyan sa'yo. Sige na, bilis.
Subscriber has shown me one picture, other guide. It's inside the national park. And did you know what happened today in the national park? Snow. It only happened once each year, and it's still today. It's very strange to have snow. And we will go to the west side. I think it will be better, the weather condition, but could be lucky to see the mountains of La Palma with a bit of snow. Take on mind that 1 or 2 days it will melt down, but to see snow in our local mountains, it's something very, very difficult. If you say the Canary Islands that we were expected, it's sun, huge resorts, but
One way lang. Siguro may isa pang dami.
so here today, because normally the trade winds goes here over the mountain and make the waterfall, the cloud waterfall. In the winter
not a
season
good
we
weather.
will have the waterfall a bit more on the west side, but today I think it's awful, the weather on both sides of the island. But only think the vegetation, it's totally different. do this kind of vegetation on the west side. It's the dry side. If you look a bit to the coastline on the west side, you will see a bit of blue sky. The community of Tazacorte of the west coast, it's said the community with more sun hours of whole Spain. Only thing about this, west side normally we have better weather condition, but you are a bit lucky, because to see rain here on the west side, it's something I need to say very important and very special. Because here we not only harvest to export fruits and vegetables, we also harvest to export flowers. There are the proteas that came from South Africa, and we sell the most part of them in the Dutch flower market. Then we also harvest, if you know, the strelitzia flower, the birds of paradise. These flowers here are very cheap, approximately, to have a very important ecosystem to protect. In Spain, we have 15 different national parks, and from these 15, 4 are on the Canary Islands. We have, for example, on Lanzarote National Park, Timanfaya, ecosystem to protect. It's the beautiful volcanic landscape of the eruption of the Timanfaya volcano. On Tenerife, we have Cañadas del Teide. It's to protect this. And we need to park here backwards to the coach parking slot. So close your eyes, or too late.
See here, your side. Paglakad yata daw doon si Tar. Let's go.
We are approximately 4,200 feet, more or less the hugest mountain of the United Kingdom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4,200.
Yeah.
Picture
Tour guide. May you could see these 2 white points over there. This is the observatory of Roque de los Muchachos, over 2,300 meters built. And one of these 2 white spots, it's an English telescope. May you have beautiful basaltic walls, and they continue if you follow it down. The new volcano.
So this is the crater of the volcano. It's made of La Palma. Sabi niya si Tar, diba? Crater to. Kapakot tayo. Ano mo na kasi wala na akong memory.
Okay.
Memory.
El mojón inglés. Cuando te pregunten esa mata, ya sabes cuál es. So dear guest, everybody back into the coach, and now I need to make the next question. Not on the program, but I have received a lot of questions if it will be another restroom stop. Maybe if you pine trees. What is happening with them? Normal, the hurricanes starts on the Atlantic Ocean, hit America, and then disappears again on the Atlantic Ocean. But on the 29th of November 2005, Hurricane Delta hit the western Canary Islands, and the most affected island was La Palma. Here we had 1,200 small pine trees that are just fallen down.
Wow.
So this
And
was
it
a
was lava field. And now this road, we couldn't use it. So we wait a bit until all the guests will.
This is from the erupted volcano. Oh wow! Ah. Oh my gosh, that's scary. So this is from the mountain over there. And it erupted way down. Dito mas dito pa. Kasi pinapakita niyo kung gaano kalayo yung narating. Yeah, from that mountain. Going all the way. That's scary.
There are lucky
black
and unlucky
part.
at the same time. Because
That's
the
lava.
government only gives money if you lost your property. Your property is still there. But you couldn't go there. Yeah.
Imagine the lava that goes all the way down. You see the difference. And that ends the bits of La Palma. Isn't it pretty?
yeah,
Which is the best? Which is the,
Scary.
this one? Yeah, the last part was scary. Volcanic eruption 2 years ago. How I wish I can focus it. So, focus mo yung may color.